Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Opera GX is current and ready. Open the browser, go to Settings, and enable the Install Chrome Extensions toggle in the Extensions or Add-ons area. Once done, make sure to restart Opera GX if it requests a relaunch so the bridge feature loads correctly. You're doing this because Opera needs that compatibility layer to accept Chrome-based packages. Without it, the extension store integration won't appear or install correctly. Now navigate to the Chrome Web Store using Opera GX. When the store loads, you'll see an Add to Opera button provided by Opera's extension adapter. Click it. You'll get a permission dialog listing what the extension can access, read those permissions carefully, and then confirm. Once you accept, Opera downloads the Chrome package and converts it to its format. This step works because Opera's adapter rewrites manifest data, so the Chrome extension runs inside Opera GX. Finish by opening Opera //extensions to enable the new extension and adjust options or site access. If it doesn't behave, disable other extensions that might conflict and test again. Conflicts often cause broken features. If problems persist, clear browser cache and reinstall the extension. That resets any corrupted data. One key troubleshooting tip: if an extension still fails, check Opera's version compatibility. Updating Opera GX often resolves stubborn install or runtime errors and restores expected behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.